Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today.
Hey, Berta's editor here. So we had shot this video several months ago and I just found it on my computer and I was like, oh, I have not done this yet. And I also misplaced the audio, so my apologies for the audio not sounding that great. All right, so enjoy the video.
This time we're going to make a mango chia pudding. Now, you need 3/4 of a cup of mango. It's kind of mashed, you know, when you take it off that seed. However it comes off, just do 3/4 of a cup. You could use frozen mango if you'd like. Just make sure you get 3/4 of a cup. The next thing you're going to do, this is a medjool date, use 2 of them, but take the pits out. And then a 1/2 cup of your plant milk, almond, cashew, whatever you've got, okay? This is an almond milk that I actually made from another video. It's joy milk that I mixed up with water. Now, I couldn't get a real measurement, but if you've got ground ginger, just do, I hope you can see it, just do a shake. That's how much you're going to use. Do the same with cinnamon. Just one little shake. Then you'll put the lid on your blender. I'm using a blender, high-speed blender, but use whatever blender you have, okay? And then we're going to blend. You could even use a food processor, that's true. Okay, so let's put it on. That was about a minute. So you get everything all blended up, and I'll show you what it looks like. It's already kind of thick. I'm going to get it all and put it in here. Then you will take 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, and you're going to put it in this mixture. You just stir it in until they're all covered over with the mango mixture. Fill this container. And then I have some mashed mango. I'm going to put another small layer across the top. And that's it. Put this in the refrigerator for at least an hour and a half or 2 hours, okay? And then it'll thicken. It'll get harder. It's already pretty stiff. But I made some before, and this is how thick it is. That's how thick it'll be. I'm just going to taste it so you'll know that I know. It's very good. Okay. Use a fruit that you like. If you don't like mango, you don't like peaches, but you love blueberries, use blueberries, okay? I give you these recipes because I want them to be simple enough so that you can switch out things that you like rather than just what Berta makes. If you want to try my way, that's great. But this is very, very tasty. So, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And then leave me some comments below if you get an opportunity to try it, or you like the way it looks and you think, I might try that. Let me know, okay? And don't forget to smile. The year of the smile, 2023. Bye for now.